Now we have Theorem 2 for integer exponents. So in Theorem 2, we have a number and exponents multiplied by another exponent. So ano po yung gagawin natin dito? When we encounter this situation, we just need to copy the base and then multiply natin yung dalawang exponent. So ganito, copy yung A and then multiply yung N at M. So let's apply this by answering examples. So here we have 2 raised to 3.
Raised to 2.
So copy the base and then multiply the exponents. Okay, we have 2 raised to 3 times 2. And then 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And we can still simplify 2 raised to 6. How can we do that? By multiplying 2 by itself 6 times, which is equal to 64. You can check this using your own calculator. Next, what if we have variable instead of a number? So here we have x raised to 4, open and close parenthesis, 6. So we can copy the base and then multiply the exponents. So copy yung x and then 4 times 6, which is equal to 24.